now let's get started with the questions on your screen. So anyone with the answer, here's an international question for all of you in the beginning of the session itself. So give it a try and let's see how many of you get this right. It's absolutely fine to go with the tukkas here, okay? भाई मजा आया दी लेकिन पहली बार फील हुआ कि क्वेश्चंस हिट हो रहे हैं. चलो, दिस इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग. दैट्स द एंटायर पर्पस ऑफ द शेमलेस टेक्निक. गुड जॉब. Okay, C C A C C B C D A. Sounds cool. That's why. Okay, सिर्फ क्यूबा का नाम सुना है. क्या बात कर रहे हो प्रीति? By the way, hi प्रीति. Okay, Jyoti, I missed the DM class. I completely forgot about Wednesday. Oh my god, no problem. The link will be shared with you by tomorrow. Okay. So, alright, let's get started. Which of the country is the host of 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference? This is a different thing, guys. This is a parliamentary conference, okay? And the answer to this question is not Cuba, unfortunately. It's Barbados. Kite एक movie आई थी. You will be like, oh my god, ma'am, stop it. Movies. Kite एक movie आई थी जिसमें lead actress का title Barbados था. तो I kind of related it to that, तो अब मुझे ये याद रहेगा. By the way, who is the Lok Sabha speaker, guys? ये second information है with respect to this question. Shri Om Birla. Okay, the Lok Sabha speaker will lead this, has led this IPD, that is Indian Parliamentary Delegation, which was held in Barbados, and this is actually to be hosted by the Parliament of Barbados, and they will be inviting all the other Commonwealth global partners as well, in which India is also one of them. So option A is my right answer for the first question. Let's go to the second one. Let me check your answers quickly. There we go. Cuba is a sanctioned country. Okay. Barbara Mori. Chalo, pakda. Thank you, Ketan. Cool option logic works here. आपने धुरंधर देख ली ना? सारे शॉर्ट्स में उसी के गाने यूज कर. आज का था हवा हवा, उससे पहले रन डाउन द सिटी मोनिका, उससे पहले यूज्ड दी ऑफ कोर्स FA9LA. तो फ्लिपराची का सॉन्ग तो इज वायरल ओनली. अभी बाकी है और गाने बाकी है. मस्त बैकग्राउंड स्कोर है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, आई लव्ड इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. It's very difficult for me to pronounce it though. Kursk nuclear power plant that was recently seen in news is located in which country? Again, an international question. That means you know. No, none of the options are in India anyways. That's Iran. So yeah, so option C is the right answer, Russia. अब ये क्यों न्यूज में आया? You would say that, okay, this is a static GK question, ma'am, but why are we worried about Russia's nuclear power plant? We are worried about Russia's nuclear power plant because a Ukrainian drone attack caused a very short-lived fire in this nuclear power plant in Russia. न्यूज में था भाई, न्यूज में था, इसीलिए these short questions come, और इसीलिए ये static GK questions आते हैं. Until unless it's not in the news, it's very rare to see a static GK question directly like this. Okay. By the way, this is very historically famous also. In the Battle of Kursk, it was a very old battle of 1943, the largest tank battle in the history, and was also an important turning point in the World War II. ठीक है, इतना ही information काफी है इसके लिए. I guess there is also one more important thing here. This place is actually one of the richest iron ore deposits also. So you guys can search about the Kursk region of Russia. You'll get to know more things about it. Drone gira tha. Exactly, Oishika. See? Good job. So we know the answer for the second one. Let's go to the third one, everyone. Who has been appointed as the Deputy National Security Advisor in August? हमारे अपने country में आते हैं. Alright. Give it a try, everyone. Sahil, Rishita, I got your answers. Sampreet, Ketan, alright. Piyush, थोड़े से इधर उधर answers हैं. I mean, थोड़े से different answers are from you people, but it's absolutely normal. What's the big deal? By the way, remember that the person who is the right answer here is actually a former CRPF as well as an Indo-Tibetan border police. Okay. His name is Anish Dayal Singh, yeah, Dayal Singh, if I'm pronouncing it right. He has been appointed as the NSA, Deputy NSA, National Security Advisor. Okay, he is an IPS officer from Manipur cadre. Okay, this information is enough for you people, I guess. Let's go to the next question, number 4. No, Ishika, you just missed out 3 questions. In fact, 2, I guess. Ajit Doval is still no. अरे हो गया, अब इतना धुरंधर नहीं. कंट्रोल. ओके. तरंग, क्या जैट पेपर में ऐसे भी लिखना है? नहीं, सीधा जीडीपीआई में लिखना है तरंग. ओके. All right, Mirabai Chanu, guys, this girl is, you should know about this person, okay? Not just female, but also related to sports, a very famous person, okay? You should know about it. यहाँ पर I would not expect you people to give me tukkas, huh? Good job, Sahil. Okay, so here tukkas nahi chalenge because you need to know that she is India's star weightlifter. And by the way, the answer to this question is a gold medal itself. Okay, she got a gold medal in 2025 Commonwealth weightlifting championship. Second set of information, where was it held? It was held in Ahmedabad. Okay, and how much weight did she lift to set a new record? That is 193 kgs. Okay. All right, then let's go. By the way, yes, this victory of hers in the Commonwealth weightlifting championship has given her a direct qualifications into the Glasgow Commonwealth Games for the next year. She's absolutely qualified now to participate there. Okay. Okay, then let's go. इससे आपको ये भी पता चलता है कि 2026 का कहाँ होने वाला है. So it makes sense, right? देखो, मैंने बोला था ना, 3 चीजें मिनिमम तो आपको बता के जाऊंगी about each question. Let's come to question number 5. Which state won the Junior Boys National Football Championship? सिर्फ गोल्ड देती है. Correct, Chirag. Damn. All right. Which state won the Junior Boys National Football Championship? I have always told you people that target the northeastern states or Kashmir, Ladakh, Leh, these areas. And since the other part is not in the options, we have only one northeastern state here, which is Manipur. Exactly, Pritikana. So Manipur के साथ हम लोग जाएंगे. See, again, I am telling you the intention behind people keeping these questions, okay? The intention behind not just XLRI, but any entrance examination, keeping these kind of questions, talking about female sportsmen, or talking about those sports person who don't get that much of limelight, is the reason because even if you don't know the answer at this point of time, at least you would discuss about it later and get to know about it. Awareness itself is a big deal. Okay? So इसीलिए they try to bring these so-called not so famous areas into limelight. By the way, yeah, Manipur actually won this trophy. इस trophy का नाम था Dr. B.C. Roy Trophy. And Manipur has won this trophy after 25 years. They defeated West Bengal only by 3-0. So it was a big deal for them. Okay. All right. And by the way, this is junior boys, and these junior boys ka age limit hai under 15. Okay. Let's go to question number 6 then. Which state has become the first in India to use AI for road safety? I have worked in a project where we use AI for road safety. Very good, Shoaib. They were facilitated in Delhi, right? Hi, Vasudev. Good evening. When Messi came. Oh, superb, Shoaib. Very nice. Thank you for adding it up. Hi, Zabi. No problem. That's completely fine. Welcome to the session. We have so many A's here. Let's go and check. Uttar Pradesh, you guys are absolutely correct. Uttar Pradesh has become the first Indian state to launch an artificial intelligence and big data analytics based रोड सेफ्टी पायलट प्रोजेक्ट. ये पायलट प्रोजेक्ट है. हाँ, तो सोचो ये रोड सेफ्टी पर है तो किस मिनिस्ट्री ने उसे रिकवर किया होगा, विच बैकअप किया होगा, अप्रूव किया होगा. इफ दिस इज अ प्रोजेक्ट ऑन रोड सेफ्टी, देन of course the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has done it. This is kind of a normal, not very high budget, 10 crores के budget का plan है. Basically This is to analyze the road accidents to or reduce the road accidents by analyzing the reports around the weathers, the vehicles, the drivers and other things. Basically black spots को हटाने के लिए ये concept या फिर ये process लाया गया है. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh is the right answer. Darwin's frog. What has Darwin done, by the way? Correct, Sanskriti. Nitin Gadkari. Okay. Why I did this? You will get to know very soon when I slide down. अरे प्रिया शाह है, हिमांशु हर वीडियो में कमेंट करते हो और यहाँ पर आके सीधा स्पेलिंग ही गलत कर दिया. ये है कि मॉक्स में 99 परसेंटाइल और मेन एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं करते. Theory of Darwin in Bio, evolution theory, Darwin's theory of evolution, origin of species. Well done everyone. बायो स्टूडेंट है क्या यहाँ पे कोई, या फिर 10th वाली बायो अभी तक याद है और 10th वाली मैथ याद नहीं रहती? ओके फाइन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The answer to this question is, any guesses? Anyone? Oh, I see a new name here, PCCH. How do you get such unique names, or these are random names? Option B, Chile and Argentina. So Chile has launched a major conservation drive to save this Darwin's frog. Okay, and this was discovered by Darwin himself in 1834. This frog is really tiny, only 3 centimeter long, and has a leaf-like skin. थोड़ा search करना. It is active during the day and sleeps at the night, just like normal humans. Unlike frogs, that's why it's important. And the best part about it, why is it so famous? Because when you threaten it, it plays dead. It just plays dead or floats in the streams as if it's like just a leaf, है ना? तो इसीलिए it's very special. वो extinct होने की कगार पर है. That's why Chile is like very serious with it. अब अर्जेंटीना का क्या सीन है? I literally have no idea that why Argentina is also so worried about it. Question number 8. Who was honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award? Bro ate every species. Yes, enchanted. My YT name was actually the name of the college freshers event, lol. ओके सॉरी दी, आई मीन ऑफिस एट वीकडेज तो नहीं आ पाता लाइव पे. आज कैसे तो आया ही करने, बट आई ऑलवेज सी योर वीडियोज एंड रीचिंग होम एज डेली स्टडी. थैंक यू सो मच हिमांशु, दैट्स सो स्वीट ऑफ यू एंड आई नो इट. I know you from last year. Come on, I know it. Survival tactics. Darwin also gave me headaches back in 9th grade. Funny Sanskriti. Okay, it's your gamer tag. My gaming name is Winning Chicken. ये एग्जाम खत्म करो यार. वी विल प्ले अ गेम आफ्टर दैट. ओके, ये प्लीज गेट डन विद दिस एग्जाम फ्रॉम मार्च ऑनवर्ड्स. थोड़ा चिल करने के बाद वी विल प्ले गेम्स टुगेदर. Question number 8. So the answer to this question is the reason why I did then someone wrote Nitin Gadkari, because Nitin Gadkari is the answer. Currently he is the Union Minister of. You guys can tell me in the chat box. I've already mentioned it, so I'll not ask you again. इन्हें दिया गया है लोकमान्य तिलक National Award and it was awarded to him in Pune. Now what is important for you to know it that इस award को एक ट्रस्ट ने बनाया है जिसका नाम है तिलक स्मारक मंदिर ट्रस्ट. ओके, एंड इट इज एनुअली गिवन एवरी ईयर ऑन 1st of August to mark the death anniversary of Lokmanya Tilak, and it is given to those individuals who have made extraordinary contributions in their particular fields or in development of the nation particularly. Okay, you guys know that, right? और अगर मैं थोड़ा सा कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे दूँ तो लोकमान्य तिलक, यू नो हिम राइट, केशव गंगाधर तिलक, एंड उनको लोकमान्य का टाइटल मिला है, राइट? ही इज अ वेरी की फिगर इन इंडियाज स्ट्रगल. ही इज अ सोशल रिफॉर्मर, नेशनलिस्ट एंड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवोकेट ऑफ स्वराज, सेल्फ रूल. हिस्ट्री पढ़ा दूंगी आज मैं पूरा आज आपको यहीं पर. Question number 9. What is the name of nationwide initiative under which Telangana government rescued 7,600 children? Understand that these rescue programs are very important. Okay, rescue programs are very important. Good job everyone. Nitin Gadkari. Okay, Amit Shah. नहीं अमित शाह को नहीं मिला. JSR में पार्टी करेंगे. Done Aryan, done. 100%. You guys come no. Okay, life is playing with us. काम करते हैं ये नेता लोग, अवार्ड सारे ले जाते हैं। सही बात है आंसू। ओके, सबसे ज्यादा गड्ढा जहाँ है उस डिपार्टमेंट के मिनिस्टर। कम ऑन। लाल बाल पाल, वाह, ये तो अपने हिस्ट्री की याद दिला दी, नॉस्टैल्जिया में डाल दिया। ओके, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, पहले तो रूलिंग पार्टी को भारत रटना रटना ही पड़ता था। करेक्ट करेक्ट। भारत रत्न दे देती थी, हाँ करेक्ट, दैट्स ट्रू। DADA. Well, the name of this is Operation Muskan. Okay, recently Telangana police has rescued more than 7,000 children, and this operation was called as Muskan. Muskan 10, 11. Muskan 11. Yeah, it's written in the option. Muskan 11. Okay, ये 11th ड्राइव है जहाँ पे उन्होंने बहुत सारे बच्चों को बचाया था। टेक्निकली देखो ये एक मंथ लॉन्ग ड्राइव थी जो एंड 31 जुलाई में हुई थी, तो दिस न्यूज़ इज एक्चुअली अ जुलाई न्यूज़, बट देन एक ही बात है ना, 31 जुलाई अगस्त। Also, this was conducted in coordination with obviously the Women Development and Child Welfare Department, along with Labor Department, along with health officials, along with many NGOs. Okay, and out of the rescued children, 529 were girls, less were girls. Question number 10. Basohili. Basohili Utsav is celebrated in which state? Hi Manikanta, good evening. Child trafficking ke against? Yes, Pratik. What was the operation about? The operation was to rescue these people from getting trafficked. Okay, Pratikana. Kashmir. Okay, just because there is no northeastern state here. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज द राइट आंसर गाइज। जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर का नाम है मनोज सिन्हा। ही अनवील्ड द टीजर एंड द ब्रोशर ऑफ दिस अपकमिंग उत्सव। This Utsav is basically a 5-day Utsav which was scheduled, which is to be done in September to October. But ये इस न्यूज़ में इसलिए है क्योंकि ये अनाउंस उस टाइम हुआ था। And the major reason why this question is right here is because of a painting called as Basohli painting. Basohli painting has received a GI tag. GI tag पता है आपको? Geographical Indication Tag. 2023 में मिला था, but इससे इस इवेंट का बहुत लेना देना है. Okay? It can be a static GK question for you also. Alright, and by the way, in this festival, they focus on Ramayana traditions, on exhibitions, folk arts, and cultural competitions also. Let's go to question number 11. Here we mark Jammu and Kashmir, and here we go to number 11. Which country has become the first European Union to ban all the weapon trades with Israel? Oh really, Aryan? Where? Bihar? DDD, Slovenia. Oh my god, you people are so intelligent. How do you do this? कहाँ पढ़ा है? Slovenia is the right answer. It has become the first EU to ban all the weapon trades with Israel. Okay. Who is the Prime Minister? रॉबर्ट गोलोब. ओके, रॉबर्ट गोलोब ने कैबिनेट मीटिंग बिठाई, वहां पर बोल दिया कि अब मैं अनाउंस करता हूं दैट नो वेपन ट्रेड विद इजराइल. दिस वाज टेकन ड्यू टू द ऑनगोइंग वॉर इन गाजा. ऑलराइट, स्लोवेनिया एक्टेड इंडिपेंडेंटली हियर एंड फेल्ड टू एग्री अपॉन अ जॉइंट पोजीशन ड्यू टू इंटरनल डिविजन. तो उसने बोला ठीक है, तुम लोग को करना है करो, मैं तो नहीं करने वाला. ओके, ऑलराइट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Option D is the right answer for the 11th one. Number 12. Where was the 18th International Earth Science Olympiad held? Again, you would say that why are we worried about this, ma'am? I would say you are worried about this because India का बच्चा जीता है भाई. Okay, भागलपुर बिहार. Oh my God, भागलपुर के आम आर्यन, the tastiest. कितना कुछ शिक्षित, कितने उच्च शिक्षित लोग हैं यहाँ पे. बिल्कुल, केबीसी ट्राई करो, 7 करोड़. बचपन में सोचा था मैंने, बचपन का प्लान था मेरा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. फिर मैंने इंजीनियरिंग कर ली, जिसके बाद मेरा सारे प्लान पानी में चले गए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Where was 18th International Earth Science Olympiad held? It was held in China. You people are right. And that is not the only thing to maintain here. Ludhiana's resident, whose name was Rayansh Gupta. He won 1 gold medal, 1 silver medal. सब वो अपने घर ले आया है basically. He's a class 12 student, है ना? And he got 2 awards there, 2 medals there. And India as a team has totally won 7 medals and 1 special award as well, competing against 31 different countries including USA, Germany, Japan, China, Australia. इतने सारे countries के बीच में, तो of course, you know, it's a big thing. All right. By the way, one more thing for you people, I'm not sure if you're aware of it. There is a union ministry called as Earth Sciences. यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ साइंसेज. मुझे नहीं पता आपको इसके बारे में पता है या नहीं. अगर नहीं पता तो यू कैन नोट इट डाउन. MOES, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ साइंसेज. दे हैव सपोर्टेड द टीम by providing them whatever things they needed for this entire competition, right? Question number 13, let's go. Which day is observed as the International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the victims of terrorism every year? Again, the date is not important, guys. I just kept this question because I wanted to talk about it. Riyansh, very good. Riyansh Gupta, yes. Sanskriti Ketan, thank you so much. Shravan, I'm not sure about this. I've heard this name. अच्छे होंगे तभी आप बोल रहे हो. Okay, B. August 21st, right answer. Very good. This is the day where, this day honors the innocent lives lost, the resilience of the survivors, as well as it reinforces the global commitment to peace, justice, and solidarity, staying away from all of these activities. And yes, this year's theme was United for Hope. उसके आगे भी कुछ था, some collective vision of something. You can check that. I will give you in the answer key. Okay. And that is basically to highlight the strength of the victims who have transformed their pain into purpose. ये dialogue याद रखिए. ये dialogues बहुत काम आने वाले हैं. When you're listening to someone, have that knack of picking up the right phrases from their sentences or the way they are talking, because that really helps. You never know. When you give very decorated answers ना, बहुत अच्छे words use करके भी answers दोगे तो they will call you fake. They will call you that अभी याद करके आया है इसलिए ऐसे बोल रहा है. But if you talk it out genuinely by using these phrases as if it's a everyday task, जैसे मैंने knack बोला. Maybe not everyone uses this term knack, okay? They just use a different word. So if you practice it one day before the interview, probably the way how you speak it will be different from the person who generally uses this term. So these things really matter in your communication skill. तो एकदम ध्यान दे इन बातों पर. ये conversations बस यूं ही नहीं है. ये conversations आपको ज़्यादा comfortable बनाने के लिए है around the fact that see these things come under conversational English. And you have to capture that, okay? It's not just a GK session, guys. Question number 14. Which state has been declared India's first duly digitally literate state? This is easy to guess. Even if you don't know, you know the answer because literacy comes here. Literacy comes here. Hi Akshat, good evening. No problem. Thank you for joining. 14 Saturday 25 में आया था शायद, if I remember. Really, Pratik? What? You remember it? Are you serious? Sorry, Snehadeep, what do you want me to repeat? I completely lost the frame of it. Hapusams are from Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. You should try them when you visit Mumbai. They are very yum. Okay, Shreya, done. GDPI tip. Okay. Kerala, of course it is. Oh, the catchy line you said. What? Knack. I said knack. Oh, wait. याद करने दो. Yes, I was talking about the strength of the victims who transformed their pain into purpose. Transforming pain into purpose. By the way, Kerala is the right answer, everyone over here. Let's read about Kerala now. So see, of course, who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay, Pinarayi Vijayan, he declared Kerala as the first fully digitally literate state in India. I mean, if I talk about digital, my goodness, when I went to China, for the first time when I saw the note of China was when I got my VAT refund. उससे पहले तो मैंने एक शक्ल भी नहीं देखी, एक नोट की, एक कॉइन की भी पूरे मेरे ट्रैवल जर्नी में. Not at all a single time. Fully digital. Even the people sitting on floor, even the people, sharing some or sending or giving something which is not even, what should I say, kind of street food and other stuff. All digital, everything digital. Question number 15. Meethi River was recently seen in news. It flows through which city? अरे अरे, अभी अभी हापुस आम के बारे में किसी ने बोला था. If you get it, what I mean. Okay, that is the name of a person. Winter is coming, I guess. I remember that ये तो अपने कराया था पर एग्जाम में आया था. Either of the two. Oh wow, Pratik, thank you so much. Yes, Pinarayi Vijayan. Amchi, Mumbai. Yes, guys, all of you are right. It's the Sapno ka Shahar, Mumbai. By the way, why is this in news? You will again ask me. Tell me, why are we having this static GK question here? So the reason for that is Mumbai police has arrested a contractor for multi-crore fraud, okay, which was related to some kind of construction around the Meethi River. ठीक है, उस स्कैम में बहुत करोड़ रुपए घुसे हैं और BMC के भी. ठीक है. So Meethi River is one of the few rivers flowing through Mumbai, Maharashtra. It originates from the Vihar Lake. That is what I know, and it flows through Powai, Sakinaka, Kurla, Bandra Kurla, Dharavi, महिम से भी फ्लो करता है, if I am not wrong. इसका मैप देखा था मैंने. I was very mesmerized by the name Meethi River. I was also not aware of the name Meethi. Okay, question number 16. Which tiger reserve has become India's second biggest tiger reserve? I give you an extra question, which is India's first or the biggest tiger reserve. Second biggest तो आप ये कर देना. You miss Mumbai. बेकार है, यमुना से बुरी हालत है. सच्ची, सीरियसली, यमुना से बुरी हालत है. थैंक यू मणिकांता, बट ऐसा कोई मूड नहीं है मेरा. सुंदरबंस. वेरी गुड. सुंदरबंस टाइगर रिजर्व इज द राइट आंसर. फर्स्ट कौन है? कैन यू पीपल प्लीज टेल मी विच इज द फर्स्ट और द बिगेस्ट टाइगर रिजर्व ऑफ इंडिया? Please tell me about it. I'll tell you about Sundarbans. Okay. So recently, this August itself, Sundarbans in West Bengal became India's second biggest tiger reserve after they did the counting and after the National Board of Wildlife organization, whatever that is, has approved its expansion. Kuch area, reserve mein. So it is just behind the no one. Naga Arjun, almost there. Naga Arjun Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve. It is in Andhra Pradesh, guys. This is the first, the largest tiger reserve. My friend is a die-hard fan of tigers and always tries to convince me कि चलो कोई tiger reserve चलते हैं, and I'm like, okay, fine. So question number 17. L. Ganeshan, who recently passed away, was the governor of which state? Oh my goodness, you have all the 4 options from Northeast only. Sorry, I did not want to do this, but क्या कर सकते हैं. Andhra one is first, right, Meda? Everyone wants to know who am I actually. I also don't know who am I. Huh? Okay. Corbett? No. Okay, come to Ganeshan, Mr. Ganeshan. He was the governor of Nagaland, okay, and he was also BJP leader from Tamil Nadu, okay. He passed away in Chennai only, but he was the governor of Nagaland. थोड़ा सा contradicting है. Okay, all right. I don't have much information about it more than this, so I'll skip to number 18. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports? This is Water Sports of Khelo India, everyone. And since I have forgotten, please you don't forget that you have to like the session as well. So if you haven't liked the session already, please do like the session also. Okay? मतलब hearts दे रहे हो, thank you, but वहाँ पे भी like कर दो. D. C also, someone. Odisha. Are you serious, guys? Why do you think that I will always come up with an Odisha as the answer? No, it's Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Madhya Pradesh has topped the tally. It has won 18 medals in total. 10 gold, 3 silver, 5 bronze. Overall claimed the championship trophy. Okay, and ये हुए कहाँ थे? ये खेलो इंडिया वाटर स्पोर्ट्स was held at Dal Lake, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Such a beautiful place. But yeah, Odisha, since you people are interested, Odisha did come second, okay, with 10 medals. And Kerala came third with 7 medals. Oh my god. You people are like, Odisha का question तो होना ही चाहिए. Question number 19. The Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog is a series mission conducted by which space organization? अगर आप ध्यान से पढ़ो तो उसमें एक कीवर्ड है. You get a keyword there called as crew. Please try it. Akshata's been there. I was a kid when I went there, but I still remember. Question number 19. Crew. Focus on the word crew. Crew. Crew Aero. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा stupid way of remembering है, but it is how it is. Okay, there is no shame in remembering it with funny titles. So NASA is the right answer, everyone. What is the entire mission and what is all of this, by the way? This is the second time when NASA has launched this. Okay, basically it is designed for the missions where you plan to stay for longer durations on Mars. ठीक है, so that's why it is like a long plan. All right, let's go. Question number 20. What is the name of the scheme announced by the Prime Minister on the Independence Day to boost formal job creation? We have done a similar question before also. Can you people tell me the answer? Yeah, correct, Sanskriti. Something related to Mars. What is the name of the program? प्रधानमंत्री से तो जरूर शुरू होगा, right? प्रधानमंत्री विकसित गरीब या श्रम. Look for positive words. Very good, Aryan, Medha, Pratik, Ayush, Akshat, Abhilasha. Well done, Snehadeep, Astha, Ketan and Priyanshi. Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. Okay, this is to boost the formal job creation. The scheme aims to create more than 3.5 crore jobs in just 2 years. And they are also planning to give direct cash incentives to both the employees and the employers जो कि job देंगे भी, उनको भी मिलने वाला है. Pretty good, ना? Let's go to question number 21. Girish Gupta. Hey, I have heard this name. Girish Gupta won which medal in 10 meters air pistol men youth event at the 16th Asian Shooting Championship in Kazakhstan? Yes, Manikanta. Viksit is always there. Yes, Aryan. Okay, CC. Hi, Sanjay. What should I call you? Ashwat or Sanjay? Gold. मैंने क्या बोला था? I told this to you before also that these questions are given to you so that the attention goes towards those people who generally don't get a lot of attention. क्योंकि इंडिया में तो सब क्रिकेट के पीछे ही पागल है मोस्टली. सो इंडिया में और भी लोग हैं जो हमारे लिए गोल्ड ला रहे हैं, जैसे गिरीश गुप्ता. बाय द वे ही इज जस्ट अ 17-year-old kid, right? Okay, fine. Let's go to question number 22. Swayam portal was launched by which ministry? Ashwat. Okay, thank you. You saw this news, Pratik. Good job. इसलिए कहाँ देखा? मोबाइल में, इंस्टाग्राम में, टेलीविजन में, जहाँ पे भी देखा. यू कैन से दैट इसीलिए मैं रोज मोबाइल में घुसे रहता हूँ. यू कैन से दिस टू योर पेरेंट्स. ये बात इंस्टा पे देखा. गुड जॉब. Yes, Vasudev, you're right. Hari, welcome. I just saw your message now. Okay. Great portal. Love the courses it offers. There the answer. We have leaked the answer. Ministry of Education is the one which will come up with courses, right? So yes, guys, Swayam portal. If you are also not aware of it, you can also try it. It is offering free artificial intelligence courses in order to meet the AI skill demand. Swayam stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. Young se why? Aspiring minds. It is India's own massive open online course, MOOC, massive open online course platform. It was launched back in 2017 only by the Ministry of Education, but now it has offered, it has come up with various free artificial intelligence courses. Okay, class 9 onwards कोई भी इसको ले सकता है to post graduation level. Okay, all right then, and it is free of cost to all the residents of India. Let's go to question number 23. Which state achieved the highest disposal rate of consumer cases in August? Consumer cases का disposal rate means they actually are done with those cases. मतलब फैसला सुना दिया. NPTEL a part of it. Yes, Anshika. IMB also offers courses there. Exactly, right. If you want a certification, then yes. Seekho app. Okay, right. So highest disposable rate is that of option B, Tamil Nadu. Tell me the capital of Tamil Nadu. You have 3 seconds. Capital of Tamil Nadu. 3, 2, 1. Chat box. My chat box is updating. Oh, Ishika, first answer. Aryan, second. Nulogy, Medha, Akshat, Shoaib, Pratik, Sahil, and Vasudev. Oh my god. Who is this? Vasudev, Hyderabad? No, it's Chennai. Ayush Bharatam Anshika. Good. It's right. It's Chennai. ठीक है, ऐसे मैं कभी भी पूछ दूंगी कैपिटल. ठीक है. So it's right. By the way, NCDRC, the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, has recorded the highest rate of disposal over more than 100% of the cases are done. मतलब पिछले cases भी पार कर दिए उन्होंने. बहुत स्पीड से चल रहे हैं. Question number 24, everyone. What is the name of the scheme recently launched by the Government of India which introduces QR labels to authenticate Indian products? Very much in the name of the question itself. Quant and DI पे भी session करिए. Sure, Yashi. There are a lot of videos, live sessions also. Last time मैंने किया था. But what I figured out from the last time, see, I always work on myself to get better. And what I have figured out is, अगर मैं इसे live में करती हूँ ना, then I'll have to give you ample time to think and do it on your own also. तभी कोई फायदा होगा. And that would again kill your time, because right now when you're just 15-20 days away from the exam, मेरे लिए सेशन में वेट करोगे, फिर मुश्किल से हम 2-3 सेशंस करेंगे, 2-3 क्वेश्चंस बनाएंगे, उतना फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. इफ़ यू सी द रिकॉर्डिंग इट विल बी फास्टर फॉर यू, बेटर फॉर यू. तो वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग. आज तो जिन लोगों ने भी पीएनसी कमेंट किया है मैंने दे दिया है, राइट. एंड अगर नहीं मिला आपको अभी तक तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल सेंड इट राइट अवे आफ्टर आई फिनिश द 30 क्वेश्चंस. ओके. डी बी भारत मार्क, राइट, करेक्ट. द नेम इज मेड इन इंडिया लेबल. Made in India label, that is option B. And just that you people know a little bit of it, August में ही हुआ है ये, that the government of India has launched this Made in India label, and this scheme has introduced QR code labels to authenticate Indian products and strengthen their identity not just in domestic but in global markets as well. This is a completely voluntary certification scheme which is led by the DPIIT, that is Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. ठीक है. इसके help से India will not only be responsible now for such products की उनकी quality के लिए, but it's kind of a nationwide good thing, because जब तक हम अपनी ब्रांडिंग नहीं करेंगे लोग हमें हमेशा सेकेंडरी चीज़ों के लिए यूज करेंगे, राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, एवरीवन. व्हाट इज अन्न चक्र? इफ यू रीड इट करेक्टली इन हिंदी, इट्स अन्न चक्र, साइकिल, चक्र. ओके. इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ इंडियाज फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम. आते हैं रंजन। A B B B supply chain optimization. Welcome to MBA. Of course, it has to be related to MBA, right? मैं ऐसे क्यों दूंगी ये question को? It's a supply chain optimization tool which is under the public distribution system. So the Union Minister of State for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has informed about this Anna Chakra. It is basically a supply chain optimization tool. है ना? It was developed by the World Food Program and the Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer, FITT, IIT Delhi. Okay. And इसका major purpose क्या है? It is using the advanced algorithms for optimum routes and smooth food grain movement. सारी चीज़ों में technology चाहिए, right? So question number 25's answer is option B. Come to question number 26. Namaste scheme is jointly implemented by which two ministries? I'll tell you the full form of Namaste. Yes, Shoaib. ISI टैग मार्क भी इंडिया का होता है, दैट्स राइट, हॉलमार्क की तरह. मैम सादिक जी के KHN होती है, कहीं होती है, क्यों होती है, कैसे होती है, ये तो करंट अफेयर्स है ना. हाँ, कहाँ होती है? व्हाट इज KHN? स्टैटिक जीके होती है और अभी तक हमने काफी सारे स्टैटिक जीके कवर कर लिए. तो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर क्वेश्चन, राइट इट अगेन. फुल फॉर्म बताया तो गिव अवे. नहीं नहीं बताऊंगी, चलो ठीक है. नमस्ते अभी तो बता सकती हूँ, हो गया ना 30 seconds. हाउ मच मोर टाइम विल यू टेक फॉर दिस क्वेश्चंस? So Namaste stands for National Action for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem. Sanitation is the keyword here. By the way, this was held at Patna, okay, and it was attended by the Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virendra Kumar. अब जब मैंने इतना कुछ बोल ही दिया है तो यू वुड गेट एन आंसर दैट इस स्कीम का फोकस है ऑन डिग्निटी एंड सेफ्टी ऑफ सोशो इकोनॉमिक एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ सैनिटेशन वर्कर्स. सो द आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट, जिसके मिनिस्टर है डॉक्टर वीरेंद्र डॉक्टर वीरेंद्र कुमार. And it is also done alongside with Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Is that okay? Ma'am, make only videos on shortcuts of two train. अरे बने हुए हैं आयुष. I will just give you the link. मेरे को 2 minute दो. I'll finish this 30 questions and I'll first give you that link and then take the Q&A of everyone else. Playlist बहुत extensive है. ये channel 4 साल पुराना है. Question number 27. Okay, I have practiced this name. Give me 1 second. Kilauea. Kilauea is the name of the volcano and this has been in news. That's why it is a static GK question for you. Where is it located? You tell me about it. मयंक, पटना और सैनिटेशन का दूर दूर तक कोई रिश्ता नहीं है. The answer to this question is USA. So wait, I practice it again. Kilauea volcano erupted in Hawaii. And why is it important? Because it is the world's most active volcano. I don't know how they measure most active, but yeah, it's the world's most active volcano. And it is present in Hawaii. Option D. Okay, let's go to 28 everyone. Let's be fast now. Which city has reported a surge in the JBS के बारे में हमने अपने first few sessions में किया था. I guess January month में किया था about the JBS cases coming in Pune, right? Yeah, so this city has seen a surge in this syndrome. Related to war, of course. बिल्कुल वेदमित्रा. Yes, Ketan. Yes, right, Shoaib. Indonesia is home to most of the active volcanoes. But यहाँ पे वो नहीं है. Eruption की frequency में करते हैं measure. Thank you, Aryan. Oh, right, Ketan. Oh, BDS. Oh, so आप dentist हो, Ketan? Okay, Gaza is the right answer, everyone. That's correct. So here we go. Question number 28. Gaza is the right answer. इसका न्यूज़ में आने का रीज़न बहुत सीरियस था because of course it's a very disease which needs immediate help, but at the same time Gaza में there was no help provided. Question number 29. Where was the Chiefs of Defense Conference held in 2025? Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, South Korea. Out of all these four, one I have visited and three of them are in my bucket list. Very soon going there. Yes, Shivangi, I got it. See, galat jawab. I have got one right answer among all of you and that is from Aryan. Swadika, Thailand it is, guys. Option A. Okay, Thailand is the right answer. And इसके बारे में बस इतना बताना चाहती हूँ that the theme of this was peace through strength, and this was trying to ensure security and prosperity in Indo-Pacific region. Basically, they want to highlight the collaboration among different nations to address these kind of complex security challenges which are coming in this region. Okay, option A is the right answer. Let's go. Question number 30, the last question for today. Technically, the second last question. Yes, Enchante, you are right. He gave a statement after Operation Sindoor. Nice. That's why you remember. Okay, Aryan, nice. Good to know that. Okay, let's go. National Disaster Response Force is specialized disaster response force under which ministry? What do you think disaster will come under? Okay, a couple of people with the wrong answers. Guys, this was a trap, okay? आज पहला क्वेश्चन ट्रैप नहीं था, आज लास्ट क्वेश्चन ट्रैप है. आज लास्ट क्वेश्चन ट्रैप है, मैंने जानबूझ के वो टिक किया है. काइंड ऑफ गैस लाइटिंग यू पीपल. D is not the answer. Change your answer. Actually, I discussed a similar type of question before also. जहाँ पे जैसे sanitation का काम home affairs, वैसे similarly here also this is the Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, I mean quite not so natural, but yeah, home affairs वालों का ही काम है ये. They have made up this. Okay, NDRF is a specialized disaster response force which is coming under the Ministry of Home Affairs in India. And कोई भी disaster हो, man-made या natural, this force is always there to help. The motto is Apada Seva, Sadaiv Sarvatra, meaning disaster service always everywhere. Okay, flood, earthquake, chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear emergencies, anything like that. And with this comes the last question. How was the class? Do let me know, and if you have